Go Flying Car. Chinese company Guangzhou Automobile Group, better known as GAC Group, which makes EVs under the Ion brand, has unveiled a futuristic-looking electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle eVTOL dubbed GOV. Designed to be an all-in-one mobility solution, the concept's most impressive feature is that it splits in half. The upper flying pod detaches from the lower base vehicle and takes the single passenger where he or she needs to go, while the autonomous wheeled base scoots away on its own and heads back to its docking station, wherever that may be. Xpeng X2. The Xpeng X2 is an innovative flying car that breaks new ground in urban transportation. Created by Xpeng Aerot, the fifth-generation model boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that enhances its agility while reducing weight. Its carbon fiber structure also contributes to its exceptional in-flight performance. It has dual driving modes that give passengers the option to choose between manual and autonomous driving. The vehicle's easy-to-use start, return, and landing functions also make flying more accessible to people than ever before. All these features make the Xpeng X2 a significant advancement in modern technology. Thanks to its electric motors, the X2 is environmentally friendly, emitting no carbon dioxide during flight. This makes it an ideal choice for low-altitude city flights, such as medical transportation and sightseeing. The vehicle is designed to seat 2 passengers, providing a modern solution to urban transportation needs. Terrafugia TFX. The Terrafugia TFX is a concept flying car developed by Terrafugia. The TFX was envisioned as a vertical takeoff and landing VTOL hybrid electric flying car that could potentially revolutionize personal transportation by combining the capabilities of an automobile with those of an aircraft. It featured foldable wings and a plug-in hybrid electric powertrain, allowing it to transition from driving mode to flight mode. The vehicle was designed to accommodate 4 passengers and was intended to be autonomous or semi-autonomous. It is worth mentioning that the development and certification of flying cars involve numerous technical, regulatory, and infrastructure challenges. While there has been progress in the field of electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft and urban air mobility, it may still take some time before practical flying cars like the TFX become a reality. Aeromobile. Aeromobile is a company that has been working on the development of a flying car, also called Aeromobile. Their vision is to create a vehicle that combines the functionality of a traditional car with the ability to transform into an aircraft for personal transportation. The Aeromobile concept features a sleek design with wings that can be extended or retracted depending on whether it is being operated as a car or a plane. When in car mode, it can be driven on regular roads like any other vehicle. When in airplane mode, the wings are extended, and the Aeromobile can take off and land from regular airports. The vehicle is designed to be powered by a hybrid propulsion system, combining a gasoline engine with electric motors. It aims to provide a range of both road and air travel, making it suitable for longer journeys. Air Scooter. The Air Scooter is a personal VTOL flying machine designed to revolutionize personal transportation and redefine the way we move through the air. With a top speed of 100 km per hour 62 miles per hour and a cruise speed of 80 km per hour 50 miles per hour, it offers both speed and agility, allowing you to reach your destination quickly while enjoying breathtaking views from above. Its patented hybrid electric propulsion system provides over 2 hours of continuous flight, surpassing other VTOL aircraft in the market. With its compliance with the Federal Aviation Authority Part 103 regulations, the air scooter can be flown without a pilot's license in the USA, making personal flight accessible to a wider range of individuals. The aircraft incorporates advanced computer-assisted fly-by-wire controls for safety, ensuring a seamless flying experience while minimizing the risk of human error. Airspeeder Crewed for Malawian Quaches. The Airspeeder Crewed for Malawian Quaches is an advanced electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicle designed for high-speed racing and aerial mobility. Developed by Alauda Aeronautics, the Airspeeder for Malawian Quaches aims to revolutionize motorsports by introducing a new category of racing vehicles that combine the thrill of motorsports with futuristic aviation technology. The Airspeeder for Malawian Quaches features a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a quadcopter-like layout of 4 rotor units positioned at each corner of the vehicle. It has a lightweight carbon fiber frame to enhance maneuverability and speed. The Airspeeder for Malawian Quaches is powered by an electric propulsion system, making it environmentally friendly and minimizing noise pollution compared to traditional combustion engines. The electric powertrain enables rapid acceleration and high agility. Alpha Jetman. Alpha Jetman refers to a groundbreaking aviation project that involves a team of human jetpack pilots known as the Jetman and their unique jet-powered wingsuits. The Jetman team consists of experienced aviators who have developed and refined their skills over the years. The Alpha Jetman team has captivated audiences around the world with their jaw-dropping performances and daring stunts. Their flights typically involve launching from high altitudes, such as helicopters or elevated platforms, and then soaring through the sky at remarkable speeds. Using their body movements, the Jetman pilots can control their flight path, altitude, and speed. They can perform loops, rolls, and other aerobatic maneuvers while maintaining stability and control. Their wingsuits are equipped with a parachute for emergency situations or landing at the end of their flights. Jetson 1. Jetson Aero was founded in November 2017 by high-performance car entrepreneur Peter Turnstrom and drone specialist and inventor Tomasz Patton. The company's goal is to give everyone the opportunity to fly by building an easy-to-fly personal aircraft powered by electric motors. Tipping the scales at 190 pounds, the one-seater, fully electric Jetson 1 has a flight time of 20 minutes and is being manufactured under FAA rules, so owners do not need a pilot's license. It's not a fixed-wing airplane. It's not a helicopter. The Jetson 1 is constructed of a lightweight aluminum space frame and carbon Kevlar composite body. It is powered by 8 electric motors, has a flight time of 20 minutes, reaching a top speed of 102 km per hour 63 miles per hour. It runs on a high-discharge lithium-ion battery and can carry a pilot's weight of 210 pounds 100 kilograms. MC1 Personal eVTOL. Monaco-based McClick, a firm recognized for its cutting-edge aerial photography and drone shows, has carried out a successful test flight of its MC1 Personal eVTOL. The MC-1, a straightforward yet sophisticated coaxial octocopter, stands out with a distinct pilot seat positioned above its body. A minimal 10-minute training is all it takes to fly the MC-1, opening up the skies to anyone. This drone-like eVTOL owes its simplicity to an intuitive flight control system that automatically handles complex flight dynamics, including maintaining balance, holding position, and adjusting for wind gusts. The MC-1 is a relatively lightweight vehicle, tipping the scales at around 160 kilograms, 353 pounds. It is designed to carry a pilot up to 90 kilograms, 198 pounds in weight. Joby S4 eVTOL aircraft. The S4 aircraft, Joby's flagship prototype, is a marvel of modern engineering. This 5-seat machine can vertically take off and land, thanks to its 6 large propellers strategically positioned along its wings and V-tail. Following takeoff, the S4 can transition to an efficient cruise flight mode by tilting all its propellers forward. In this mode, it is capable of covering more than 150 miles 240 kilometers at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour 322 kilometers per hour. eVTOLs, such as Joby's S4, have several advantages over traditional helicopters. They're substantially quieter, projected to be more cost-efficient, and produce zero emissions. Many hope these aircraft will revolutionize vertical commuting by offering a speedy, affordable means of bypassing traffic once they're fully integrated into commercial service. Aleph Model A. As per the company's website, Aleph flying car can be driven on a regular urban or rural road. It fits into a regular driving lane and confines to all traffic regulatory conditions. The car is 100% electric and can be driven on public roads. The flying range is the car is 110 miles, which is 177 kilometers, while the driving range is 200 miles, which is 322 kilometers. As per the website, it has a vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. The car will carry 1 or 2 occupants. Moreover, it said that the car fits into a regular parking space and inside a regular-sized garage. The company also claims that the Aleph flying car offers a unique experience of flight in any direction tied from forward, backward, right, left, up, down, at an angle. It added that the car offers a cinematic 180-degree plus view for safe and enjoyable flight. Bird of prey. European manufacturer Airbus has created a concept aircraft inspired by the natural features of eagles, hawks, and other aerial predators. The bird of prey. The theoretical design is for a hybrid electric, turbo-propeller aircraft, according to a statement on the Airbus website. Inspired by efficient mechanics of a bird, it has wing and tail structures that mimic those of a bird of prey, while featuring individually controlled feathers that provide active flight control, the statement reads. The aircraft would be capable of carrying up to 80 passengers and would burn 30% to 50% less fuel than comparable aircraft in operation today.